Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing something different than today or before. So we are going to so as I was saying, we are going to be doing an unboxing video. It's not what I usually do, but we'll give it a try. Today's video is sponsored by Isaac Image, this guy right behind me. So hope you enjoy. So we are unboxing. Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. So we are going to be unboxing the DJI RS2, or the gimbal. It's a gimbal, DJI RS2 Pro. So apparently this is one of the best gimbal in the world right now. So now let's get started. Whoa. Wow, this is actually awesome. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's like, I think people call it a raven eye. Oh, wow, a tripod. Oh, wow, this is actually an improvement from the last tripod that I've seen. So, wow, it's heavy. Whoa. That's a satisfying sound. I think if I'm not mistaken, this is supposed to be like some kind of battery. Oh, more pockets. That's a lot of wires. I don't know if you guys can see that, but wow, that's a lot. Oh. And here is the new gimbal. I don't know if you guys can see this. Wow, this is a beauty. Oh my God. Wow. This is way heavier than I expected it to be. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And see you in the next one. Bye.